Go!
Good afternoon. The Department of Foreign Affairs, or DFA, said it was making arrangements with the Geneva-based International Organization for Migration for the evacuation of the 1,700 Filipino workers, mostly nurses, in Libya. DFA spokesperson Raul Hernandez said that Foreign Undersecretary Rafael Chequis and Ambassador Annalena Vicente were in Tripoli, visiting hospitals and housing areas to convince medical workers to leave because the security situation was getting dangerous. More than 26,000 Filipinos were in Libya at the outbreak of hostility 6 months ago. Philippine officials said that half that number had been repatriated, but they could not account for the rest apart from the 1,700. In earlier media interviews, Filipino nurses in Tripoli said that they were afraid to return to an uncertain future in their homeland. Thousands of nurses in the Philippines are out of work. In Hollywood, reality star Kim Kardashian is officially hitched. Ahead of the Kardashian's website announced, "We are officially married." Her representative confirmed to CNN that a People magazine report on her wedding is accurate. The couple, which guarded details regarding their